Hi, so today we will be discussing about number rods, Montessori number rods. Jida Manu, shall we do the number rods? Okay, we have already done the red rods. Do you know the red rods? This is red rods. You have already completed this one, no? But there is another rod like this. Shall I show you that? This is the number rods. Number rods. What is the difference between that rod and this rod?
Red and blue.
Red and blue. It is divided into red and blue, right? So shall I show you how to do this? To carry, first you have to put the mat like this. One has to be put like this horizontally and one vertically. Okay? Okay? And we will take the rods onto this. I'll show you how. Same as red rods, right?
Okay.
Can you shift it onto that mat? Okay, you can take it. Slowly. Okay? And that is bigger mat should be whole. Very good. Mat. Now you take from this mat and arrange it onto this mat. How you did the red rods? Same way. Yeah. Red part should be always down. Okay? Start from the red side. So we have already, from this you understood, right, that the child understood how to bring the material to the mat. That is the first thing we need to achieve. So he has already achieved that. So you can next move on to the concept. Number rod is to give the concept of like numbers. They have to understand that this rod represents 1 and the next one represents 2. Shall we try that? This is 1. What is this? 1. And this is 2. Okay. And this is 3. 1, 2, 3. So with this, you have finished the first period. You have introduced that this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So, but what is the question for second period? In the second period, child is supposed to point at the thing we are asking. So, show me. That is the second period question. Okay. So, we are moving on to the second period. Okay. Can you show me 1? Can you show me 2? So we have already completed the introductory period and assessed that he understands which is 1, 2 and 3. So the third period is he is supposed to name the rods, that this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So shall we try that? What is this? And what is this? And this is? Okay. This is? This is? This is? Okay. So in this he has already completed 1, 2 and 3. After that you can move on to the next 3 numbers 4, 5 and 6. Okay, can you take the next 3 rods to the mat? Slowly, slowly. It's okay, slowly. Arrange it from small to big. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Show me 5. Show me 5. Okay. Show me 4. Show me 6. Okay, we understood that he understands that. So next ask, what is this?
4.
And what is this?
5.
And this is?
6.
Now can you show me 6? Can you show me 4? Can you show me 5? Okay. What is this?
5.
Is this?
4.
And this is? Okay. So that is complete. In this way, complete till And you can take the next 4 numbers, no problem. Okay, and complete the whole number rods. After we have completed the whole thing, you can assist with the whole rods. Can you shift whole rods to that mat? Can you show me 3? Okay, very good. Can you show me 7? Okay, that is 7. Very good. Can you show me 5? Okay. So, can you show me 1? 1? Can you show me 9? Okay, that is 9. What is this?
2,
And this is?
3,
And this is?
4,
And this is?
7.
Okay. In this way, we understood that the child already knows the numbers. He can also point the numbers and name the numbers. So this is the first period of number rods. He has achieved that. So once the activity is finished, what should you do? You have to keep everything back, right? Okay.